Hello friends, welcome to the channel and the BMW 3 Series. The BMW 3 Series has been recognized as an icon for many years, setting standards in the entry-level luxury sports sedan segment. As we enter 2025, this model not only maintains its durability, but also raises the bar one step further with its advanced features and superior performance. Blending elegance and athleticism, the 2025 BMW 3 Series continues to offer a unique experience in both simple use and performance-oriented driving. Highlights and performance. The BMW 3 Series appeals to a wide range of users with two different engine options. 330i engine. It has a 255 horsepower, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine draws attention not only with its power, but also with its fuel economy. M340i engine. With its turbocharged inline 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, it produces 386 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine, which works with a 48-volt hybrid system, offers high performance and efficiency together. Both engine options are paired with an extraordinary 8-speed automatic appearance and can be purchased with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive options. The systems developed by BMW offer different road conditions and suitable features. The dynamic handling package maximizes driving pleasure with features such as adaptive shock absorbers and improved brakes. Show performance. Acceleration. According to measurements made on test tracks, the M340i xDrive model can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The all-wheel drive 330i xDrive completes this time in 5.2 pixels. Handling. The 3 Series combines the sharpness and responsiveness required by a sports sedan with superior body control. These features provide a unique driving experience both in normal city driving and on performance-oriented roads. Efficiency. Despite its high performance, the BMW 3 Series is quite ambitious in terms of fuel economy. 330i, 9.4 liters/100 kilometers in the city, 6.9 liters/100 kilometers on the highway. In tests, an impressive 42 miles per gallon, 5.6 liters/100 kilometers, was achieved on the roads. M340i, 10.2 liters/100 kilometers in the city, 7.6 liters/100 kilometers on the highway. In the same test, this model achieved 33 miles per gallon, 7.1 liters/100 kilometers, fuel consumption on the road. Update special for 2025. BMW draws attention with aesthetic and technological innovations in the 2025 3 Series. iDrive 8.5 infotainment system. New generation features, augmented reality supported navigation and widescreen design make driving easier and offer a more modern look. Steering wheel and dashboard. The redesigned steering wheel and updated dashboard improve the user experience. New color and rim options. The new handling, which increases the aesthetic abundance, allows the vehicle to be personalized. Interior and comfort. The interior of the BMW 3 Series combines high-quality standards and modern design, offering the following. Material quality, soft touch surfaces and striking workmanship create a first-class product. Sports seats. These seats, offered as standard, are both comfortable and have a natural structure on long journeys. Storage capacity. The luggage volume of 17 cubic feet, approximately 481 liters, is among the best in its class. This capacity can be further expanded by folding the rear seats. Optional features include heated front and rear seats, a wireless charging unit, a head-up display and a remote start system. Price and recommendations. The starting price of the 2025 BMW 3 Series is $46,675, and the price can go up to $62,775 in equipped models. The following method is recommended for those who will prefer the BMW 3 Series. 330i model, offers suitable quality and balanced power. M Sport package, ideal for a sportier appearance and driving dynamics. Dynamic handling package, increases performance with adaptive shock absorbers and an improved braking system. Premium package, includes extra comfort elements such as free entry, head-up display and heated steering wheel. Result. The 2025 BMW 3 Series continues its leadership durability in its segment by offering a sporty driving experience, luxurious interior details and the latest technological equipment. The 3 Series continues to be an indispensable choice for those looking for comfort in daily drives and excitement in performance drives. This model manages to be one of the vehicles currently available in the sports sedan world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and like this video. See you in the next video.